Hi friends, please subscribe to my channel and for latest updates plus bell icon. Hi friends, today I am going to say about how to calculate the filtration area and holding capacity of sparkler filter of capacity 20 inch into 18 plates. The principle involved in this operation is the liquid is pumped through the central channel of the cartridge from the bottom of the body. The suspended particles are retained on the filter media resting on the filter plate. The clear filtrate emerges out from the peripheral holes of the plate into the tank and comes out of from the bottom outlet. The filtrate tank wall does not come contact with unfiltered liquid. Hence, our liquid remains clear. Friends, here I am going to show you the practical approach to calculate the filtration area and holding capacity of sparkle filter of capacity 18 inches into 18 plates. Filtration area and holding capacity of sparkler filter, that is 20 inches into 18 plates. This sparkle filter is SS316, which is operable in reverse flow, and it is zero hold up. So here it is the 20 inches. If you convert this into 20 inches into centimeters, you will get approx 50.8 centimeters. For simplifying the calculations, I am taking this into the 50 centimeters. Okay, 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Okay, the first and foremost, the diameter of sparkler plate or sparkler filter in meters. I am taking 50 centimeters approx. That into meters is equal to 0.5 centimeter, 0.5 meter, sorry. Number of plates is equal to 18. As I told, I am calculating for 18 plates. Okay, and again the diameter of spacer. Diameter for standard designs it will be 5 centimeters around, so I'm converting this into meters. It will get 0.05 meter. Okay, what is mean by spacer? Spacer is nothing but, if you consider this as a plate, the portion which is there here is called the spacer. Now we are going to find the filtration area of this one and this one by eliminating this spacer space. Okay, so we need one more parameter we have to consider, that is height of the plates, h. The height normally will be, I am taking for 20 inches is 2 centimeters. So if you convert that into, that one is 0.0254 meter. Also you can take 2 to 2.5 centimeters also, there is no problem for that. So I am taking only 2 centimeters. So I am finding the filtration area of this one. The formula is area is equal to pi r square. So pi by 4, I am doing little modification to it. D square minus small d square minus this one. Okay, capital D square minus small d square. So 3.4 value of pi is 3.4 divided by 4. T square is, it is the diameter. So if you square this much, you get, this is the small d and this is the capital D. Small d is 0.05 square. 3.14 divided by this. If you do this calculation, you will get 0.247, and if you do overall this calculation, you will get 1.93 meter square. This is for only one plate. We have calculated the filtration area for only one plate. So number of plates in our equipment is 18. So 0.3 into 18. So you will get around 3.49 meter square. 3.49 meter square. This is the total filtration area is available for the filtration. So after getting the filtration area, we have to go for the volume calculation. How much the volume it can hold. So for calculation, it is very simple. So volume is equal to for one plate, what is this? For one plate, this is the area into its height. Height we need to consider here. What is the height? We have taken 0.0254 into this one. So by calculating all these things, you will get 0.882. So that will come under meter cube. If you can, 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So if you convert this into liter, you will get around 88.2 liter. So you are getting 88.2 liter capacity. Okay, by considering bulk density of material or charcoal, simply 88 by 2 by 2, you will get around 44.1 something you will get. Okay, 44.1 kgs around. Okay, so this is the total theoretical weight which can hold the sparkler. It's inside, but practically saying, the 20 inch into 18 plates can hold up to 16 kgs. Always take 10 to 15% as a clearance. In my suggestion, for this particular equipment, 55 kg is the maximum.